Welcome children to the another session of microorganism friend and foe of class 8. I'm Vikesh. So already 2 lectures we have completed. Today we are start with the lecture 3. Before that I will give you a small recap. We have discussed about the different type of a microorganism, about bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and virus. Then we have already discussed where do microorganisms live, and in the last video we have discussed microorganism and us. So microorganism are of two types. They are beneficial as well as they are harmful to us. In the term of beneficial, we have already discussed about the friendly microorganism, how they will helpful to form curd, bread and cake, and that we have already discussed about the curd, that curd are formed by the lactobacillus bacterium. Then we have already discussed about the commercial use of a microorganism to make alcohol and wine. Now we are moving to the another part of a beneficiary, that is a medicinal use of microorganism. When you fall sick, you went to the doctor and doctor will give you some medicine and sometime injection for quick relief. Many times doctor will give you a medicine called antibiotic. Now the question will arise that what are antibiotics? So the medicine which kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms, such medicine are called antibiotic, which will help you to fight against the microorganism by which you may fall sick. Example: streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin and penicillin. So many antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi also. Remember, antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganism and are used in different varieties of diseases. They can manufacture, they can grow these microorganisms and get the different type of medicine from them. For example, as everyone have a different choice in term of clothes, eating habit, color, similarly the different antibiotics are used to cure different type of diseases. Means you cannot use same medicine for every disease. For every disease there is a particular medicine which can protect you from different type of diseases. So these medicine we get from the microorganism. Antibiotics not only used for humans, but they can also use for plant and animals also, because they can also get sick. Antibiotics should taken only when doctor prescribe, not like that ke anytime we will take it. What will happen if you take antibiotic when not needed or in a wrong disease? It make the drug less effective when you might need it in future. One more important thing about the antibiotics, that antibiotics kill or protect your body against bacterial infection only. They will not affect on the virus. So the source of many medicine are only microorganism. You know, the penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. So as we have already discussed that medicine will be of two types, either it is orally or either it is injectable. So now we are going to discuss about vaccine. What is a vaccine? Why it is important? A mild form of a disease that is injected into a person or an animal's body using a needle in order to protect the body against the diseases. Okay, so this is called vaccines. Now I will give you one example for the vaccine. When you start playing, means why there is a need for the vaccine. When you start playing any game, you have seen different level inside the game, like easy, medium, hard. Okay, easy, medium, hard. So when you start, you choose easy level to understand how to play or start a game. Once you understand how to play, then you move to the medium and then hard label also. Similarly, vaccine is also same. With the help of vaccine, they inject mild disease causing microorganism like bacteria or virus inside in your body of same disease. Because they are mild, so your body start forming antibodies. And what are antibody? We will discuss later on. Against diseases, and your body understand that how to fight against diseases. So against diseases. Thank you.